So one of the things that I talk about in my book, Your Oxygen Mask First, is resilience rituals. Now, this is the key into taking care of yourself. And for leaders who burn themselves out and kind of fade along the way, it's one of the key strategies to help them get their game back and get their mojo back. For those that want to keep going, it's a great way and a critical way to keep taking care of yourself so you stay your best and you've got the energy and focus and ability to keep growing and getting better and better. So a very simple way to keep this on top of mind for people is to have your own growth goal, your personal growth goal. You can call it your oxygen mask goal if you want. I don't care. Call it whatever you want. But if your team all has their own 3 to 5 goals each quarter, as they should if they're following Scaling Up or Rockefeller Habits or any other good planning methodology, having a sixth one which is about themselves and their own growth. And it's helpful if the whole team understands that as well. I recommend that there's at least something around resilience rituals and how they're going to strengthen and keep themselves strong, and then something about how they might change a behavior or improve something, which we talk about lots in our book. Often it'll be, leaders who want to stop talking or telling so much and maybe asking more questions or avoiding outbursts or who knows, whatever it happens to be. So have your 5 business goals, but then have 1 about your own strength and resilience, and 2, have something about how you're going to improve and grow as a leader beyond just taking care of yourself. A second little tip, and this is something that another great coach mentioned to me, was having a weekly check-in and seeing how are you doing on your resilience rituals. And it's just a thumbs up or thumbs down. Am I sticking to my resilience rituals this week or am I not? Some group accountability sometimes help us to stay on track and healthy on those things that are a little bit tough. Have a great week. Put it to practice if you can.